Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Revolut point balance rewards on Revolut. So it's quite easy. You just have to open up your Revolut application and go to the home page. On the home page, go to the accounts tab, which is on the middle. And this is where you can see all your Revolut accounts, your currency accounts, your savings and all that. And you can also see your points bucket. And if you open this menu, you can tap on activate rewards. And in this menu, you can set a minimum balance that you would like to hold on your Revolut account. And with this, you will receive daily points that convert to airline miles and discounts for hotels all over the world. So this is how you can activate it. You just select your minimum amount and you can see how it works. And yeah, it's pretty easy. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.